assume you've already got the concept and structure of the video in mind. Let's start by breaking down the first scene. Go to midjourney.com, enter the following prompt. Click the settings button on the right to adjust the output. For now, we'll just set the aspect ratio and hit enter to generate. Okay, we've got our desired image. Now let's bring that image to life. We'll use Kling's image to video feature for this part. There are plenty of other services out there, so check out my other videos if you want to explore alternatives. Upload your image and enter a prompt describing the desired motion. Including camera-related terms like low angle can help achieve the composition you want. Hit generate, and there you have it. Your video is ready. Don't expect perfection on the first go. It's actually trickier with video. One trick is to input the final frame as a separate image to guide the output. Let's edit it in CapCut. But first, let's analyze the original video, slowing it down. Then we can see the bottom of the frame distorts when the girl jumps, and there's an explosion effect. The original creator probably used After Effects for this. Import your generated video into CapCut. You'll notice it's much slower than the original. So let's speed it up. Compare it to the original to determine the right speed. Now our character zips upward quickly. We will make it more cool by adding a simple explosion effect. Go to the Effects tab and choose Explosion. To apply it partially, duplicate the clip and add a rectangular mask to the copy. Adjust the size to cover just the bottom of the frame. It's close, but needs a little tweaking. Scroll down in the mask options to find Feather. Adjust this to blend the effect more naturally. And there you have it. Our first scene is complete. Repeat this process for each scene. Then you'll have your own awesome AI video. Pretty cool, right? I'll be sharing more generation tips in the future, so don't forget to like and subscribe.